to my YouTube channel. This is Livina Oduji. I'm going to walk you through on how to create an account on Tulip for your CNA exam registration. I did this video a few years ago when the state transit to Tulip, but now they have a new look on their website, and that's why I want to record this again using their most recent look on the website. So when you come to your computer, you search Texas Nurse Aide Registry. Please make sure you are clicking on the right tab, which is Nurse Aide Registry, the one that has hhs.texas.gov. You click on this. Click on the licensing, credentialing, and regulation. On the left-hand side, click on Tulip Online Licensure Application System. Go back and click Tulip Login. When you come to this screen, if you have an account already, you will log in with your information. But now we are creating an account, you will click here that says create an account. On this screen, you will go to Occupational Licensure and Programs and click Next. Go back to Licensing Applicants and click Next. Now it will take you to this page where you have to put your social security. If you have social security number, you don't have to put the individual taxpayer identification number. You put your email and put the information, who will you be registering as. So I'm going to make up something like the social security. So I will put in this information. Email, I'm going to use my email, okay? Who will you be registering as? You click here and put licensing applicants. Now you have to put your information. I'm going to use my name also to put this information. Please, when you come here for the date of birth, please use this calendar here. When you put the information there, it doesn't take it. So I'm going to say 1964, June 3rd, right? Date of birth. Do you have a Texas CNA? Of course, is no, because they don't have their license already. Then you click submit. When you click this submit, you will receive email that says your application is received, and then the email, you will click on the link to put your password. I will show you that page in a minute. So after you put all your information, I said you will receive email from Tulip that say welcome to Tulip. This is what the email that you will get will look like. Right here, your Tulip username is always your email address. So now you are going to create password. You click here, and when you do that, you will get a page that looks like this. You follow the instruction here to create your password. This place that says change your password might get people, like questioning that they don't have password. Which one are they changing? Please, this is how the screen will look like. Just put your new password, confirm your password. When you do this, if you look here, maybe you are not seeing it, it says change password. When you put this information, you will click change password. Here will turn blue and you will click on it. When you do that, you will get another screen that looks like this. Let's say if we are ready now to do the application, what we will do right now is to click here, which is NA, MA, NFA. You click here and you start the application process. This video is to walk you through on how to create your password. The next video will be on how to do the application process. I hope this video will help you to set up your Tulip account or setting your password. I will see you again on our application process. Thank you.